everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Will Shop Dating Rebuilds, and before I start the video, I want to say Merry Christmas to everyone all around the world. I really appreciate y'all for viewing my videos, and I'm back here with my 1984 GMC 1500. Everyone's been asking what's going on with this vehicle. Well, as you can see, I have a tree on it. Yeah, tree fell. My brother sent me a couple pictures, which I'll put right up there. And this is what we got. I'm pretty sure it didn't do any damage, but just kind of that window was already broken. Someone broke it beforehand, but yeah, just a very odd Christmas present. So especially when people have been inquiring about buying it, and it's still not for sale. So today I'm gonna go ahead and try to get it running. It shouldn't really be that much. If you look down there, we are missing the belts. The belts broke. I should have both brand new belts for this in my trunk. I found one. I gotta find the other one. And also, if you notice here, there is a piece missing. I have this piece, and the carb is right there and everything. So brake fluid is empty. Should probably get some brake fluid, but that should be all it needs. It should have spark. The battery is brand new still, and the posts are disconnected, so it shouldn't be dead. I'll probably jump it with my car or take it up to our rallies and let them charge it, depending on how long this takes me. And yeah, that. So basically, I'm gonna remove the fan real quick. Y'all can see in there. Remove the fan, move those screws right there. Take the fan and everything off the water pump. Release this belt to move the alternator. And then that's pretty much it. Put the belt on and see if we got a crank. Maybe get some starter fluid or go get some gas if we still got a gas can. There you go, get a gas can or go get some starter fluid. And yeah, we want her running. We're gonna check all the fluids. Pretty sure it still has transmission fluid. And it does. Still pink. So that's good. Transmission fluid is good. We need some brake fluid, and I'm pretty sure it still has oil. So let me set y'all up, and I'll try to get this knocked out pretty quickly. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna remove the bolts of that. They are 13mm, and I should be able to just time lapse this.
They say they had that they lying. Oh, I got so many fucking buyers. Say, shout out to my plug, then shout out to the buyers. We got guns like we Al Qaeda. We can't stop. I ain't no idol, but I don't keep no.
So we got that. That is out. Sit that right here. Not bad at all. All right, now we're gonna release the alternator. So as soon as this is probably a 15. Nope, 13. Yep, another 13. All right, it's the easiest truck to work on ever. All right, and probably that right. There we go. Alternator moves. All right, now we're gonna get our new belt. All right, back. I had to search out the part number. Is Continental, which I will leave a picture right up there. But the part number is right there, 15445, and that's going from the alternator to the fan. So we're gonna go ahead and slip this down under. Oh, I have to take this one off first. I might have to take this back. I might take this one off by loosening up that bracket right there. Does it move? Well, it kind of moves all together, doesn't it? All right, so since I technically don't need this belt, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut that belt. Yeah, that's right there. the AC, correct? That's AC. So yeah, I don't have AC, so I really don't need to run it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut that belt real quick. Let me see. Then what I have on my belts. Let me make sure. So right now I'm missing this one from alternator to there. That one is good there. And then there should be another one. Oh, you know, they're probably just some 13. So I'm gonna go ahead and just release that right there. Pretty sure remove it from the AC. I may leave this off. All right, now let's take a look at what's going on. Okay, this just comes off. Oh no, water pump's good. Okay. Oh god, I got nervous for a second. So I'm like, no, not another water pump video. All right. Okay, so currently we have a belt there. Let's check our new belt and put this around the alternator. Hey everybody, Will back. I couldn't finish the video. I ran out of memory, but I did get the belt on and the power steering and everything tightened up. That's what's happening here. Don't be like me. It goes around the alternator, the water pump, and then the crank pulley, not the power steering. Yeah, that's why I'm spending time there. But I will be coming back with episode 2. We will be focusing on the carburetor right there. If you can see in the left hand corner, it is missing a rod, which is what I believe has been causing most of my problems this entire time. I also have to take the battery to Batteries Plus Bulbs to get it charged and see if it will be warranty. I believe it has a dead cell in it, and we should have this running before episode 3. I don't know if the tree will be removed by then or not, but hey. So with that, I want to say thank everyone that watches my channel. Do not forget to subscribe. This is the first and the new series going on Will Shop Dayton Rebuild. If you don't know about my other channel, go over to Will Shop Dayton and subscribe. Check out my how-to videos. These will be different types of videos, just more so me getting it together, getting it running. This series will extend, so I just want to say I appreciate everybody, and y'all have a blessed day. Peace.